Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, we're going to be smoking up some simple, crispy honey sriracha wings on my Weber Kettle. Stay tuned. You can see, look at this bark. It's crazy. Oh man, this is perfect. It helps to start with a nice sharp knife, okay? Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right, let's get started on our wings. I've got about 35 chicken wings here. And I'm gonna make two different batches just so I can make sure I get enough rub on the chicken wings. So just take about half of them and put them in a gallon size Ziploc baggie. That's about half of them there. Okay, so to this batch, again, we're gonna keep this really simple. I'm gonna add some SPG. I will leave the ingredients to my SPG in the description box so you guys can check that out. Super simple. So just add enough of the SPG, seal your bag, give it a good shake. There you go, just like that. Okay, now the second rub that I'm using is this Garlic Sriracha seasoning. Now I did purchase this from Sam's. This is the Tones brand, but there's other seasonings that are out there that are Garlic Sriracha or just Sriracha seasoning. So we're just gonna add a little bit of this into the bag. This is gonna give the wings a really nice dark red color. And the reason I use the SPG is because I think that when I use the Sriracha seasoning by itself, I think it lacks a little bit of flavor. So adding the SPG at first, I think helps out the flavor, okay? Give it a good mix. Okay, you can see that our wings have taken on a little bit of a reddish color. Now, I absolutely love to cook chicken wings on my Weber Kettle. And you know who else likes to smoke wings on the Weber Kettle? My buddy Alton, the dog father. Check out his channel. I'm gonna leave a link up top. We're actually doing a collaboration on some chicken wings. Don't forget, check out his channel once we're done with this video. So I'm gonna prepare the other batch. Then we'll see you guys outside. Stay tuned. All right, so we're outside of my Weber Kettle, and I've got one basket of Fogo's premium charcoal, and I do have my Vortex right here, my Weber Kettle. So we're just gonna dump that in there. Just like that. To that, I am gonna use a couple of pieces of hickory to get some smoke. That. Then we'll put our grate on. All right, let's put on our wings. Now, I like to put the wings starting on the outside first and just work your way all the way around, okay? Try not to have them touch. If they touch just a little bit, that's okay, but you don't want your wings to overlap, okay? All right, so I've got my wings nice and spread out. I'm gonna put the cover on. Vent is halfway open on the bottom and also halfway open on the lid. We'll check back on these in about 15 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so we're at 20 minutes into the cook. Now, one thing I do wanna say is I have been rotating my lid every couple minutes. So we started at 12 o'clock, then I moved the lid to, or the vent, I'm sorry, to 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, then 9 o'clock, then back to 12 o'clock. Okay, so let's check out the wings. They should be looking really good. And let me see if I need to flip them. You know what, I am gonna flip them because the top is getting nice and smoky. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them all. Close the lid, give it another 20 minutes. We'll come back and check on them. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been a total of 40 minutes. Let's take a look at our wings. And they are looking really good. You know, I got this one a little too close to the Vortex, but that's okay. We'll still eat that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them one more time. These are looking really good. We're gonna give this another 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's go inside and make my honey sriracha glaze. Stay tuned. All right, so the wings are almost ready. Let's make our glaze for our honey sriracha wings. So what I've got is a measuring cup here, and I'm adding half a cup of honey. use a good quality honey. Okay, and then half cup of sriracha. Now we're going to drizzle the wings with the sriracha with this glaze, but we also like to save some on the side to kind of dip the wings, if you will. Okay, so just like that. I'm going to put this in a saucepan, warm it up, and I'm going to put it in the squeeze bottle. Stay tuned. All right, so the wings are ready, and the total cook time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we got this nice crispy surface. The last step is obviously to add our honey sriracha glaze that we mixed up. Now this is warm, okay? So when you have a squeeze bottle, put your finger on the top. If not, it is gonna squirt all over the place. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this glaze all over these wings, just like this. Now, you don't want to ruin that crispy skin, so that's why we're just going to drizzle the wings instead of dipping them in the sriracha and honey glaze. Okay, so just like this. Man, these are going to be fantastic, guys. Just like that. Let's back the camera up and give these a taste. Stay tuned. All right, let's give these honey sriracha wings a taste. Can't wait to dig in. They smell absolutely amazing. As I mentioned earlier, you don't want to put sauce all over the wing because you're gonna get rid of that crispiness from the chicken wing. So here we go. Wow. That is a fantastic tasting wing. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. This is one of the tastiest wings I have ever made. Okay, man, this is good. You know, the wings got a really good grilled flavor, smoky flavor. Then you get that little bit of that sweet, then a little bit of that heat from the sriracha. These are fantastic. If your mouth is on fire, grab a carrot stick or a zucchini spear, and that'll put that fire out. Don't forget, check out my buddy Alton, the Dogfather Barbecue. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel in the description box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Joe of Smokin Joe's Barbecue. See ya.